Unlock a universe of stunning visuals for your projects, completely free, by mastering Higgsfield AI's powerful effects. Let's dive straight into how you can elevate your creations using Higgsfield AI's incredible, complementary effects. Once your image is generated within Higgsfield AI, look for the dedicated Effects panel. This is your gateway to transforming your visuals. Within the Effects panel, you'll discover a library of free enhancements. Browse through categories and explore the various options available to find the perfect touch. To apply an effect, simply click on your chosen option. See how Dreamy Glow instantly adds a soft, atmospheric radiance to our image. Many of these effects come with adjustable parameters. Use the sliders or input fields to fine-tune the intensity, color, or other characteristics until you achieve the desired look. Want to make your colors pop? Explore the Color Boost section. Applying vivid saturation can dramatically enhance the vibrancy of your image. For a completely different artistic flair, delve into the artistic effects. Watch as comic book transforms our image into a dynamic, graphic novel style. Don't be afraid to experiment and combine effects. You can layer multiple free enhancements to create truly unique and captivating visuals. The possibilities are truly endless, and all these powerful enhancements are available at no cost, allowing your creativity to truly flourish within Higgsfield AI. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and transform your creations with the free effects in Higgsfield AI. Happy creating!